Hi guys, so today for our kind of reading comprehension activity, it's a little bit different from what we're used to. Okay, so we're not reading a story and then answering questions on it. We're actually reading, and it's actually something you might not be very used to, probably not used to at all, but it is a telephone book. Okay, so a quick guide to services in your area. So what we have here is, from A to B, all the different services and the person's name who provides this service, a little explanation as to what they do, and their telephone number. Okay, so we can see here that the first one, A, so aerial and satellite dishes, so like on your television. So J Brown Limited is the company that looks after aerials and satellite dishes. That is their telephone number. And it says sales and services, all leading brands. Okay, so that just says that this person, J Brown, so sells and looks after satellite dishes and aerials. Okay, so we have here, I'll flick down to a different one, a dentist. Okay, we have B Still, which is a funny name, B Still. Okay, so B Still is the name of the dentist. Okay, B could stand for Brendan or Brenda or whatever. Okay, the telephone number. We have here electrician. Okay, so this electrician is S Park, so maybe Sarah Park or Sean Park, their telephone number, and it just gives a little explanation as to what they're doing. So they do house rewiring, extra sockets, outside lighting, etc. Okay, so looking at some of the questions here, okay, let's have a look at the first one. What does Basil Bayleaf do for a living? So let's have a look here. Basil Bayleaf. Can we find Basil Bayleaf? Here we go. Basil Bayleaf. Gardener. Okay, so we know that the answer for question 1 is Basil Bayleaf is a gardener. Okay, because this is the section of the phone book where we can find the gardeners. Okay, he mows lawns. Weeds and general work done. Okay. What are the different heating services? What are the different heating systems sold by iBurn? I'm loving the names, they're quite funny. So heating, down to H. Okay, iBurn. So what are the different heating systems? Gas, oil and solid fuel systems. Okay, it says here that he sells gas, oil and solid fuel systems. Okay, question 2 even. How many services are listed in the quick guide? So we can see how many services are there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, and look at this one here. Whom would you call if you had a toothache? I'd call B Still. Okay, and there's one, I'll have a look at one more question. Okay, oh, this one's very good. Why would you call D Waters and not B Day if a pipe burst in your home late at night? So let's look for these two names, D Water and B Day. Okay, so plumbing, B Day, bathrooms and kitchens fitted, and D Waters 24-hour emergency. Okay, the question said, why would you call D Waters and not B Day if a pipe burst in your home late at night? Well, because D Waters is your 24-hour emergency service. Okay, so I hope that helps. Okay, I know that we wouldn't really use phone books, okay, nowadays. Okay, so this image, which, you know, your mums and dads and me would have had at home when we were kids, you know, with a telephone, with a phone book, but it's just an interesting reading comprehension for you to do. So I hope that helps, guys, and if there's any other questions, let me know. Okay.